Welcome to the setup instructions for our low pressure alarm. This model monitors air pump and airline pressure. If the air pressure drops below 1 psi, the red siren you see here will sound off and will signify that either your air pump is no longer functioning or that you have a break in your airline. In addition to the siren alarm at the pump shown here, we also offer the option of this remote Septic siren alarm that will sound off in your home wherever you might plug it in within 200 feet of the air pump. The beauty of this alarm is that there is nothing to program or to maintain and no batteries to replace. So let's see how simple it is to install it. The first step is to connect the 1/8 inch vinyl hose to your airline system. Most septic air pumps have a barbed air takeoff port. The high blow pumps have an air port at the base on the side. The blue diamond pumps have the port on the bottom of their pumps, as shown here. If you don't have an air takeoff port on your particular air pumps, no worry. We can provide a 1/2 inch barbed PVC adapter with each alarm. And this is how to hook it up. See how simple? For the indoor Septic alarm, all you have to do is plug it in. There is no programming required. Now you just plug in the alarm unit with your air pump plugged in as well. By the way, this other gadget here is an overpressure safety valve that you can also buy on this website. We discussed this in another video. Now to show you how it all works, I have a valve that I can change the pressure with. At the moment, I have it set so the air pressure reads about 2 psi. Which is within the range of the normal working pressure for a linear diaphragm air pump. I am adjusting the pressure down now, and as you can see at the right, around 1 psi, both the outside and indoor alarms are sounding off, simulating pump failure or a break in the airline. So as not to complicate things, we do not have an on and off or test switches. All you do is unplug your alarms until you have corrected the low air pressure problem. For this video, I will just turn the plug receptacle off to reset the alarm. When you actually receive your alarm for the first time, the simple test is to just plug it in without hooking up the vinyl tubing. Since there will be no air pressure, your alarm siren will activate just like this. I hope you have understood the setup instructions and have had all your questions answered. See you next time.